Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making healthy Gatorade.
Are you excited?
I have never tried Gatorade before, so it's actually my first time. To make healthy Gatorade, first you need an empty bottle. First in the bottle you add electrolyte. I'm going to use this electrolyte because it has no sugar in it. I'm going to use lemon flavored electrolytes. Can I add it? The whole thing? To get the blue color, I'm going to use blue colored spirulina. Now I'm going to fill up my bottle with plain water. All of it. Now you shake it up. Enough?
No.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay.
Is that good?
As much as you want.
Okay. This is the first recipe with no baking.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Drinking time! Now I'm going to try both the Gatorade. First the unhealthy one.
Alright, try. Go on, try.
Now it's time to try the healthy one.
How is it?
Good.
Which one is good? That one is good? For real?
Also, I kind of like this one.
Also like this one?
It tastes like blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, I actually did the wrong flavor.
Oh, that's okay.